Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, overhead console. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.